Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer chicken wings with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here 12 wings and we're gonna season it first. We're gonna add some salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and lastly some ground black pepper. Flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we season both sides. We're just gonna use some of the seasoning on the cutting board, use it all up. Okay, looking good. Next, we'll need some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And we're gonna pour some into a bowl. Just like that. This is what the chicken wing looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna push the preheat button, and we're gonna preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. Okay, we put in all 12 chicken wings. And now let's put it in. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 23 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 10 minutes so far. Let's flip it over. Let's flip them over. Okay, we flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 20 minutes so far. And now let's add this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. There we go. We added the barbecue sauce to one side. And now let's flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we flipped them all over. And now let's add the barbecue sauce on the other side. There we go. We added the barbecue sauce on all sides of the wings. Now let's put it back in for the last 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 23 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Next, we're going to sprinkle some chopped up green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer chicken wings with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.